In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the event owner in Google Calendar. This is really useful if you're handing off responsibility for a meeting, switching project leads, or leaving a team and want someone else to fully manage your existing events. Changing the owner gives that person full control, instead of just inviting them as a guest. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. You'll want to be in the calendar view where you can see your events, like the week or month view. Find the event whose ownership you want to transfer. This can be any event that you created or currently own, whether it's a one-time meeting or a recurring series. Click once on the event to open its details pop up. You should see information like the event title, time, and guests. From here, look for the 3 vertical dots, usually found in the upper right corner of the event pop-up or event details window. These 3 dots represent the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. When you do, a small menu will appear with several additional actions you can take for this event. Among these options, you should see one labeled Change Owner. If you don't see it, double check that you are the current owner of the event and not just a guest, because only the owner can transfer ownership. Click on Change Owner. This will open a new dialog box or panel where you can choose who you want to make the new owner. Typically, you'll be asked to enter the email address of the person you're transferring the event to. It's a good idea to double check that email address so the transfer request goes to the right person. After entering their email, you may see an option to add a short message. Use this space to explain why you're transferring the event or to give any important context like, you'll be leading this meeting going forward. This makes the handover clear and avoids confusion. When you're ready, send the ownership transfer request. The person you selected will receive an email asking them to accept or decline becoming the new owner. Until they accept, you remain the event owner, so you can still manage the event if needed. Once they accept, they'll have full control of the event details, guest list, and any future changes, and you'll see them listed as the owner in Google Calendar.